This gentleman must have thought for a little while what he was going to be.
And he is a dinosaur out here at the parade. So he is walking alongside the Yoder Family of Companies. Introducing the Yoder Family of Companies float. You may know them most of Weld County Garage, a Buick and GMC dealer serving Greeley since 1908. However, they comprise of 10 companies ranging from body shops to service centers to dealerships. Today, they proudly display a giant American flag on their float in honor of the 4th of July. The Yoder Family of Companies are rooted in faith and community-driven and has been serving northern Colorado for over 115 years, longer than the Greeley Stampede has even been around, which is a long time, Louis.
That is a long time. A lot of parties throughout that time also.
And look, they got a bull rider on the back right there
Ooh.
showing off what they're made of.
Look at that. Now that is very interesting.
Happy 4th of July to the Yoder Family of Companies.
And look at this beautiful car. Oh boy, I love it. Wow. Locally owned and operated, Faithful Roofing and Restoration helps homeowners and local owners care for their greatest asset. From small repairs to full replacement, they handle roofing, gutters, paint, windows, siding, etc. And Northern Colorado's K99 is your home for New Country at 99.1 on the dial, live and local.